cool. Oh my god, Mom! Did you see this? That is so cool. It said on that side, but
An alligator or whatever.
that's crazy. That's cool. Fish. Komodo dragon? Oh my god. This thing is huge. You see the fish over there? Holy. Margos, you need to like stand beside that, man.
What do you look at that? Look at me. Stand beside it.
Almost looks fake. Standing so still.
Right now.
Is that his head? Is there anything in there?
I think we're going to the shark's nest.
Yeah, like.
Or is this just like a regular aquarium?
Holy crap, those are huge fish. Oh, there's a snake over there.
And sky river turtles.
What?
They're bubble ball and sky blah 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 turtles.
Oh, I see a turtle over there.
Sky
Ah,
river.
so cute.
That's a sky river turtle.
There's a snake. See the snake right there.
Oh, a birdie's.
Whoa.
Birdie.
Oh, is that what it is? Holy, look at that. See him.
I've heard it's really nice.
Yeah, it's
Look how big.
yeah.
There's like some kind of ray down there. Oh my god. Look at that. Don't look around the corner. Oh, there's a ray. Huge, man.
There's stairs.
Oh. And then there's that big fish. Fat. Oh, look. Look at the little ray. There's like a big catfish, I guess. Oh. There's that catfish coming over here. Man, that is huge. His face is like creepy, man. Look at his face. Ooh, red tail. Wow. There's like rays just chilling there. What's that? Hey, look at it. Look at it. Big compared.
That's a skull.
Oh, there's piranhas over there, man.
That's a skull of a piranha.
Oh, look at.
Skull of a piranha, man.
You wouldn't want to go near those.
And then they put the full of.
Oh man. Nope. What are you doing with that? I love how pretty this place is. Like we're in a forest. Oh! What is it?
It's a lizard.
That's cool. It almost looks like. I think it's a monitor. Yeah, monitor. So cute. It's like he's trying to get through the glass. It's pretty big. Look at that tail.
Oh. Sharks.
Ooh. Oh, look at the little baby hammerhead up there. Oh my goodness! It's so cute. Look at look. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, used to be a big one.
That's a zebra shark.
Yeah. Yeah, look at them all. I really like this baby one here.
This long way. Scenic route.
I think he likes it.
That one's got its mouth open. He's like, there's people here. There's a big fish down there.
Oh, look at that.
Look
It has a giant eye.
Wow.
I saw a fish with only one eye. It was
These
giant.
one, look at these. One got his mouth open.
I want to get that.
Oh, sorry. Oh, that one. Oh, there's a unicorn fish.
Where?
Right there. Its tails.
I see it's. Oh, it's a unicorn fish.
Here comes. Oh, nope. Wow. It's high over here. Oh, there's that big one. Holy.
Look at that guy. He's like blends in.
They're like the baby sharks. That's black tip reef shark, I think. Wow.
Especially for the little guys, yeah, they have places to hide and shoot.
Whoa. Yeah, it's a black tip reef shark.